Hello and welcome. If you want to jump straight to the build, please skip ahead to 1 minute into the video. In this series, I'll walk you through the full assembly of an Army Jeep, starting with the front grille. I'll also show you how to correctly set up your blueprints. To follow along, you can download the project files via the link in the description. What you're seeing now is a speed build of the entire vehicle to show you the final build. I used Illustrator to demonstrate my thinking before I actually started the build. When I looked at the front grille, I used the red to block out the negative space just to see the air between the parts. Then, I used the white lines to show where I'd put my cuts so I could turn those n-gons into clean quads. It's not meant to be the exact final mesh, but it was my guide for how to split the shapes and get the geometry right. While the playback is sped up, you can easily see the underlying topology by pausing the video. I began by treating the grille as a silhouette, focusing on the negative space and building the mesh from the outside in. From there, I established the initial n-gons, which are designed to be easily split into 4 clean quads. Feel free to pause at any moment to study the specific polygon placement.
If you want to see more content like this, subscribe and join the community. Leave a comment below letting me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.